3 dashboard warning lights you should never ignore. Whether you are new or old to driving, most drivers on the road don't even know what their dashboard warning lights mean. Driving like this can be very dangerous, especially when one pops up on your dashboard mid-drive. Before you know it, your car might break down, emit excess smoke, or worse. For the safety of you and your vehicle, it is imperative you understand what these warning lights mean and what to do when they illuminate in your vehicle. Below are the top 3 dashboard warning signals that you should never ignore. Check engine light. The check engine light is feared by many drivers for a good reason. It has so many reasons for why it might come on. They range from very minor, like a broken gas cap, to severe, like a clogged catalytic converter. When this light comes on, check your gas lid before anything else. If the gas cap is closed, we recommend taking your car to our auto repair shop for engine diagnostics. Coolant temperature warning light. This symbol might not be as easy to read as the check engine light, but it is depicted as a thermometer dipped in liquid. It means that your engine temperature is either too cold or too hot, depending on the color of the light itself. You can look at the temperature gauge if you are unsure. If your engine is overheating or too hot, it is imperative that you pull over ASAP. If you don't have any coolant to top off your engine for the time being, please pull over and call for a tow. It is not worth the risk of damaging your engine. Oil pressure light. This symbol looks like an old-fashioned oil can, and it means that there is a significant drop in oil pressure. Your engine's oil pressure can diminish when an oil leak is present. This light can also illuminate when your oil is too old. You should have your vehicle's engine looked at and repaired as soon as possible. Those are the 3 most important warning lights that relate to your engine. As you might know, engine repairs are not cheap. To be safe and drive safer, be sure to bring your car to 26th Street Auto Center for all your oil change services, engine tune-ups, and engine repairs.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.